Lithium ion battery. Now, the lithium ion battery, everyone is might have listened this type of battery. The most common example is the cell phones, smartphones. Right? Everyone is using the smartphones. The power that its smartphone is getting, which is from lithium ion battery. Sometimes it is lithium polymer battery. Almost these are same. So lithium ion battery, which is having the highest electromechanical potential. Hence, it is the most reactive material. Thus, it is used to achieve high energy and power densities in battery applications. So as I told you, as compared to lead acid battery, the energy density and power densities which are moved in lithium ion battery. In a very small size of battery, we get a lot of powers, lot of energy, right? Because of it is having highest electromechanical potential. So lithium is having this property. So these batteries have several advantages over the conventional type of batteries. Like it is having high voltage per cell, almost it is 3.6 to 3.7 volt, lightweight, compact in size, handles many charging discharging cycles. See, the life cycle is also more. It requires very less or almost no maintenance. But the cost as compared to lead acid battery is more. See, many advantages are there, but only one disadvantage, the cost is very high as compared to lead acid battery. Otherwise, this is the ideal one. The common applications that we can see for the lithium ion batteries, which is dominated in electronic industry. In almost all the portable electronics gadgets, devices, you will observe the lithium ion battery. Laptop, mobile phones, radios, electric vehicles also. Right? Bluetooth speaker, wireless headphone, true wireless headphone, आता काय काय आला अजून बरंच काही. So all these things that we can have lithium ion batteries. म्हणजे ते ट्रू वायरलेस हेडफोन ते एवढेसे हेडफोन आपल्या कानात जातात त्याच्यामध्ये ती आपल्या नखाच्या साईजची एवढी ती लिथियम आयन बॅटरी लिथियम पॉलिमर का लिथियम आयन दोघांपैकीच एक असतं नखाच्या म्हणजे नखावर मावेल एवढीशी ती बॅटरी असते त्या हेडफोनमध्ये ट्रू वायरलेस हेडफोन यू कॅन इमॅजिन दॅट what the technologies we are getting. So that's why here one point I've included, it is dominated the electronic industry. See the construction for lithium ion battery as we can have. Here the cathode is positive, the anode is negative. The electrolyte, which is a salt solution, lithium salt solution. Porous separator, which is a thin film porous separator, again the electrolyte. On the cathode side, there will be a lithium metal oxide. On the anode side, there will be a graphite. Lithium carbon or graphite. And in between that, there will be a lithium. These are some points that included. Uses graphite or carbon as an electrode, as its anode, and current collector of thin copper. Cathode is made from the many materials which are there. It may be either lithium cobalt oxide, LCO, lithium manganese oxide, lithium iron phosphate, lithium nickel manganese cobalt. These are some options. Anything else? These are some options that we can have as a cathode material for lithium ion battery. Okay, Sagar is given some updates. So you can just refer some books or some online material that you can have these chemical reactions. So these are the material that can be used for making the cathode. And for anode, it is made from carbon or the graphite. A separator is a fine porous polymer film. Electrolytic solution, which is a lithium salt in an organic solvent, its conductivity is ionic rather than electronic. Both electrons are made from the material which can absorb lithium ion. When charged, the ions can be absorbed and held inside the structure of the host material without disturbing it. This is called the intercalation or the absorption process. Now let us finish the charging and discharging of the lithium ion battery. Now here is the simple thing that we can have. During the charging, see, we connect the charger of the required voltage across the cathode and anode of the lithium ion cell. See what happens. The cathode is made from the various materials that we can have. Sorry, it is made from carbon, and anode is made from the various material. For example, let us see any of one material, lithium cobalt oxide, LCO. Okay? So let us see, this is an example for the cathode material. And anode is made from the carbon. See, anode is made from carbon. In between that, there is a separator. Why the separator is required? Because it should not happen that there will be a short circuit between anode and cathode. So there will be a separator. But this separator can transfer lithium ions. त्या सेपरेटर मधून लिथियम आयन्स पास होऊ शकतात पण इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पास नाही होऊ शकत. सी, नोट दिस पॉइंट. Through this separator, lithium ion can pass. So lithium ion can travel from cathode to anode and can travel from again anode to cathode. But electrons can never. Now look at that. What happens? Whenever the charger is connected, then we know that the current will flow from positive towards the negative, but the electrons will flow from the negative towards the positive. So these electrons will get attracted towards the anode, which is made from carbon, and through the electrolytic solution, the lithium ion will travel towards the anode. म्हणजेच काय होतंय, जेव्हा चार्जर कनेक्ट करतो आपण तेव्हा इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एनोड कडे जात आहे आणि लिथियम आयन पण एनोड कडे जात आहे, म्हणजे दोन्ही इकडे जमा होत आहे एनोड कडे. इट इज मेड फ्रॉम कार्बन, सो इट इज अट्रॅक्टिंग द lithium ions, which is absorbing lithium ions and electrons. So these are combining at the anode electrode. So this is the process of charging. Now opposite happens while discharging. The load is connected across anode and cathode. Opposite reaction will happen at the time of discharge. See, load is connected and electrons will flow from anode towards the load, right? And the lithium ion will flows towards the cathode through the electrolytic solution. So lithium ion will travel towards the cathode and electrons also traveling towards the cathode. Simple आहे lithium ion battery मध्ये. जेव्हा चार्जिंग होतंय तेव्हा लिथियम आयन आणि इलेक्ट्रॉन्स दोन्ही एनोड कडे जमा होत आहेत आणि जेव्हा डिस्चार्जिंग होतंय तेव्हा लिथियम आयन आणि इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कॅथोड कडे जमा होतात. हे लक्षात ठेवा, सिंपल रिएक्शन आहे, सिंपल प्रोसेस. हे सगळं इथे एक्सप्लेन केलेलं आहे. यू कॅन रीड as I already shared you the PPT. Now again I try to explain the cell reactions. During discharge, lithium ion is oxidized. Lithium is oxidized and lithium ions are released from the carbon along with electrons. आता बघा काय होतंय, डिस्चार्जिंग प्रोसेसला काय होतंय, डिस्चार्जिंगला म्हणजे लोड कनेक्टेड. लिथियम आयन हे एनोड कडून कॅथोड कडे जात आहे आणि इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पण एनोड कडून कॅथोड कडे जात आहे. मग Li6 which is a carbon and Li which is a lithium ion, lithium C6 carbon at anode, so which is separating carbons and lithium ions and also electrons. These are separating. Li6 पासून कार्बन वेगळं होत आहे, लिथियम आयन वेगळं होत आहे आणि इलेक्ट्रॉन्स वेगळे. हे कधी डिस्चार्जिंगला. At cathode, lithium ions are absorbed by lithium dioxide and electrons are absorbed from the external side. तर कॅथोड कडे काय होतं, ते absorb होत आहे ना, एनोड कडनं ते सेपरेट होत आहे, रिलीज होत आहे आणि कॅथोड कडे ते absorb होत आहे. म्हणून कॅथोड कडे absorption प्रोसेस होणार आहे. म्हणजे काय मग कोबाल्ट ऑक्साईड. सी, आपण कुठलं एक्झाम्पल घेतलं, हा तेच कोबाल्ट ऑक्साईड, LCO किंवा त्याला केमिकल फॉर्म मध्ये COO2, cobalt oxide, plus lithium ion plus electrons, so it becomes LiCO2. हे absorption होत आहे कुठे, कॅथोडला. एनोडला रिलीज होत आहे आणि कॅथोडला absorption होत आहे. The opposite reactions occur at the time of charging. The overall reactions will be like that. The discharging, sorry, charging च्या वेळेस काय होणार आहे, ॲनोडकडे ॲब्सॉर्ब होणार आहे, म्हणून LiC6 प्लस CO2 कोबाल्ट ऑक्साईड. And at the end, this is a reversible reaction, complete reaction, carbon आणि LiCO2.